23 subscribers. We are on location today with Erin, and she is trying out her first Stitch Fix box. Tell me about your experience with signing up for Stitch Fix.
Well, you got me a wonderful birthday present that helped me sign up.
I did.
We took a style quiz.
Do you remember if you asked for anything specific?
I'm sure I mentioned that I like blue, and I probably said something about how I like simple things or no patterns.
I believe Erin nixed every single pattern type. Critters, animal prints, polka dots.
Was there any direction given in terms of you wanting casual, business casual?
You have a fancy job, so you do need to dress up a little bit.
It's not that fancy.
It's pretty fancy.
So you get to select a price point.
I said I was cheap.
When you do buy clothes for work, where do you typically shop?
Kohl's.
Kohl's? Okay. So Erin's opening her first Stitch Fix box.
Are you feeling excited?
Oh, yes.
Anticipation. Item 1.
It's one of those disco-y shirts.
What is a disco-y shirt?
You get these like underarm flaps going and you kind of look like a flying squirrel.
Nice. And next item, black shirt with a metal detail on the front. I hope you don't have a nickel allergy. Third item, what is
going on with...
I think this is a dress.
It's a shirt dress. Have you ever worn a shirt dress?
What do you
What do we got for our fourth item?
Nice pair of jeans. Like a medium wash. Looks like a boot cut.
Finally, some olive pants. And those are also a boot cut.
Interesting pocket layout on them.
So Erin's seen all our pieces. She's gonna try them on, and we're gonna get her reactions once she's wearing them. We're back with our first two pieces. We have the Jolie Reed 3/4 sleeve knit top, and on the bottom, the Gen 7 Slim boot cut jeans. Tell us how you are feeling about the shirt. I'm backing up so Erin can show us the sleeves. It's a little billowy. Do you feel like that's something you could handle wearing, or would that be distracting?
I wouldn't buy it.
Well, if you don't buy it, you're not going to wear it. So.
See, I would be running around the office being like, I'm a flying squirrel. I'm a flying squirrel.
So the jeans, Gen 7 Slim boot cut, how do you like those?
They're soft. They're a little long.
There's a little bit of bunching at the bottom. I can see why you're saying they're too long.
Yeah.
You're not that short. You're like
No.
average height.
Usually they're always a little too small. This is abnormal.
Okay.
We'll take a break and come back with the next item. Hey guys, we're back with another shirt and pants combo, this time with an emphasis more on workwear. Erin is modeling the Fortune and Ivy Cantina hardware detail shirt in black. And on the bottom, we're looking at the 151 Valerie Olive boot cut pant. Erin, thoughts on the black top?
This thing, it gets caught on your head and your glasses. And apparently, it is see-through.
No, we're appropriate. Not for where you work anyway.
It actually has two different textures.
The back feels thicker and nicer, and the front feels more like a polyester.
Maybe the fabric should have been first.
That might help with the see-through. Thoughts on the pants?
They're nice. They feel good. I don't like pockets like this.
The way the seaming is on them, the darting, it brings the eye right to the middle.
They're boot cut too. They look to be about the same length as the jean.
I would say these are still longer than I normally get when I go to Kohl's.
Well, let's get into that dress. I'm excited to see.
Yeah, we're excited for the dress. Final item in the box, 41 Hawthorne Affinity Knit shirt dress. How's the dress, Erin?
Well, first, I'm a little challenged with coordination and stuff, and this was unbuttoned, and I had to button it all by myself.
And then you were saying about the tie.
Yeah.
Tie is a little floppy. You don't like a bow on your stomach.
Right.
Is that a jersey knit, Nicole?
It's hot.
Is that 41 Hawthorne?
Yeah.
Yep.
41 Hawthorne, brand of unbreathable fabrics. We're gonna wrap up here with some final thoughts. Inside your Stitch Fix box, they send you a prepaid mailing envelope. You throw all the return items into the envelope, send them back to Stitch Fix free of charge, and then Stitch Fix will charge your card for the items that you've decided to keep. That brings us to our newest segment, Bag It or Untag It. Erin will now tell us if she's going to bag each item, meaning send it back to Stitch Fix, or if she's going to untag the item, meaning rip those tags off and add it to her closet. First item up for bag it or untag it is the teal flying squirrel top. Is the teal top a bag it or an untag it? All right.
In
Throw
the
her in the
bag.
Next item on the list, the slim boot cut jeans. The stylist called these jeans an investment piece.
What do you typically pay for a pair of jeans?
I have no idea.
I would say jeans at Kohl's are probably what, like $30, $40?
If they're on sale.
But everything's always on sale at Kohl's.
This is true.
Well, these jeans are $99 jeans. Are you willing to invest $99 for these jeans? Third item, the Fortune and Ivy Cantina Hardware Detail Blouse. Bag it or untag it?
Yeah.
151 Valerie Olive boot cut pant in olive. These pants are a lot cheaper than the jeans. $48. Now, you do have a $25 styling credit, and also you have a $20 gift card. So you could get those pants for $3. $3.
We will untag.
That was shocking to me.
Like,
holy crap. You didn't even like those. Oh God, that was the most exciting one that we've had. Last item on the list. This is the black shirt dress. Whew, this black shirt dress is
a lot
of money. I'm just gonna put it in the bag for you. $78 dress. It wasn't worth $78. All right, so we've got 4 items in the bag. We're keeping the olive trousers. So this was Erin's first box. How do you think the stylist did as far as pinpointing your styles?
I think she got close.
Did she get close enough that you are willing to try a second box? What are your reasons for not wanting to try a second box?
I really just don't like clothes that much.
What did you think about the price point?
That's probably more money than I spend on clothes in a year.
Okay.
Like, you don't care about clothes, you don't really like shopping. Does it appeal to you at all to have this person that's just gonna send you stuff so that you don't have to shop?
I can see where it's better than going to the mall.
So if you had an event, a wedding, is this something you would think of? Or would you rather just find your own clothes?
Probably just go to the store.
So that concludes our on location video with Erin. We
Thanks,
really
Erin.
wish she was coming back for a second video, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. I am confused. What is the real reason that you kept those pants?
You said they were
$3. I would have kept them too. She could resell those at Marketplace for $20.